Today we are making bhindi sabzi. It's a very delicious sabzi. For that I have taken half teaspoon of cumin seeds. These are cumin seeds. I'm going to take some tomatoes, onions, chilies and garlic cloves. In a pot I've added the garlic cloves, the oil, 2 tablespoons oil and cumin seeds. And I'm also going to let the onions fry till they're golden brown. After that I'm going to add the okra and fry it for 6 to 7 minutes on a medium heat. And also I'm going to add the spices as a salt, garam masala, turmeric, curry leaves and red chili powder. I'm going to add it all together inside the curry in the okra. I've added the spices. I'm going to let further cook for 6 minutes. I'm going to add the 1 large tomato. I'm going to let it simmer on a medium heat so that the tomatoes are soft, and I'm also going to add 1/3 cup of water. If you want, you can put more water if you want a gravy consistency. As you can see, the okra is ready. I